Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to tell you one more use of abacus, that how we can make a fact family of tens. So here in this abacus, it's very colorful and beautiful, and you can see all the beads. They are 10 in all the rows, and we will use them and let you know that how you can teach your students about fact family of 10. So we will start with the first one. So let your child count that these are 10 beads in one row, and just ask him to leave one and put rest of them on the other side. Look here, I push it on the other side. Now one is here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Let's take the next one. So here we will leave 2 and push the other on the other side and count them. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So 1 plus 9 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10. In the same way, 3 plus 7 is also 10. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 3 and 7 is again 10. Now we will leave 4 on this side and put rest of them on the other side. Now 4, then 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 and 6. 6 plus 4 is also 10. Now 5 plus 5, 10. You can also ask them to write these numbers on a page. Now we will take 6 and count the rest of them. They are 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we will leave 7 on this side. 7 plus 3, it's again 10. Now we will again count and leave 8 on a side. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 on one side and 1 on the other. So 9 plus 1 again 10. So in this way you can see a beautiful pattern is made on the abacus, and your children can quickly learn about fact family of tens. I hope you like the video. Allah Hafiz.